Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
See, this question is one of the logical question. If you have a basic knowledge of economy means you can easily answer this question. So it is about a out of box thinking type question. Supply of money remaining the same. When there is an increase in the demand for money, there will be, which means consider that there is only 100 rupees in the market, but demand for the money is increasing. Okay, so demand for the money in the market is increasing. That may be various other factors. Okay, the question is not about why the demand for the money is increasing. The question is the supply of the money remains the same, but the demand for the money is increasing. So what you will do, or else how you can manage this? Okay, so this is the question they are asking. So the first statement A is a fall in the level of price. So when it comes to how to manage this issue means the answer will be B. The thing is, please note that, so increases in the rate of interest, which means borrowing rates. Okay, so the demand for the money is increasing, but the supply of the money is same. Consider that there is only 100 rupees in the market, but most of the people is demanding for the money. Or else put it in a different way, there are only one apple in the market, but what the people are doing is there are 10 people come into the market and demanding for this one apple. Okay, so initial price of this apple is 10 rupees. Apple seller, what you will do is, how to manage this concern? Simply you will increases the price. Okay, so by increasing the price, who is going to demand is going to reduce. So that is the thing is going to happen. So apply this scenario to this thing. Okay, so there is only 100 rupees in the market, but there are major demand for the money. So what the bank will do is they will just increase the borrowing interest rate or the lending interest rate. By the way, they can overcome this issue. Okay, so the answer is increases in the rate of interest. Okay, all other statements are irrelevant. Okay, when it comes to these kinds of questions, how you can apply your elimination tactics, that we can discuss. If the statement is saying that increase in the rate and decrease in the rate means mostly 99.9999% within that two, any one of the thing will be the answer. Okay, so other two things are irrelevant to that question. Okay, this is one of the way you can go for a guess. Okay, you just eliminate both the things. Within this two, you can go for a guess. That is the way you can apply your elimination tactics. Okay, but the concern is the possibility for right answer is only 50-50 chance. Okay, consider that without knowing answer, I am just going for C means that will lead to the negative mark, minus 0.66. So that is the thing also you have to consider it. But when it comes to logical elimination means you can do that. So you need to attend around 10 questions to get to certain level of answering means, then at that time you have to go for certain guesses. At that time these kinds of question means it will be more easy for you, because you are going to find the answer from two, okay, only two statements, only two options. You are not going to guess the answer from 4 options. So the probability of correcting your answer is more how to say, so the probability will be higher. Okay, so at that time you can go for these kinds of questions and you can eliminate other two statements based on this thing. Okay, so here the answer is actually B.